Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come.
Welcome back, Glam Fam. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. So today I wanted to do a nice little, little berry, what I'm saying, summer sun kiss, Really fun. It was a halo effect eyeshadow, as you can see. This was super cute to do. So if you like this look, then definitely keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with a super fresh face. I do have my eyebrows on though. And now I'm going to prime with my Maybelline Master Prime, and it is the Blur edition. It's a pink undertone, but it's gonna blur any big pores that you want to get rid of, so I really like that. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and I'm pretty much going to get rid of all the dark spots that I have on my face. I love to do this before foundation because it just helps, conceal anything that you're trying to get rid of, any shadows you don't want to see, any marks, any acne scarring, which I have a lot. So I'm just definitely pretty much going to do this all over my face and then just take my finger and rub it in. Alright, so now I'm just going to let that sit on my face for about 30 seconds, and I just fan my face just so I can make sure it can soak in. And now I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in 356 Warm Coconut, and I really like this foundation. I always go to MAC, but this foundation actually gave me a red undertone, but still not so I'm just super red. So I really like this foundation. It goes on well and it's just really super cute, and I like this foundation because I don't have to add anything if I don't want to. It just comes off flawless. Now I'm going to take the same concealer that I concealed the first time, LA Girl Fawn, and I'm just going to go under my eyes, above my mouth, on my chin, my forehead, and down my nose. Now I'm going to take my wet beauty blender and just blend that out. Make sure you guys get right under the eyes because that's usually where it creases a lot. So make sure you get right under those sockets and make sure you're blending everything out. I'm going to take my Loreal True Match Foundation in Deep Cool C9. This is actually the darkest shade they have in this foundation. And I'm just going to, suck in my cheeks and go along that lines and then go on my forehead. I decided to do a foundation because it kind of gives off that super flawless look that it blends so well. Then I'm just going to blend it out with the same foundation brush that I used for my foundation. And then you definitely just want to pat. Do not, have super long strokes because sometimes it can come out really muddy. So just try to pat the dark colors in. That's the key to having, a really nice contour, and it doesn't look like you just have a big stripe on your face. I'm going to take my Nye Banana Powder and set my face. And I definitely just use my damp beauty blender, dip it in there, and then I just go in of everywhere I concealed my face with my concealer. Now I'm going to take my MAC blush in Blunt, and it's a darker blush, but I definitely use it as a contour, and I'm just going to go over everywhere I put the darker foundation. And this is just to set it where nothing's looking really shiny, and the powder just going to make sure it lasts all day. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just take off all that powder. I didn't want to leave it on too long because I kind of want to go for a super dewy look, but I definitely wanted to stay all day, so I pretty much kept it on for a good, I want to say, 3-4 minutes. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Peach Nectar. Guys, I'm going to get a new highlighter soon, I promise. I've been using this for so many years, but it's really cute. I love it, and I love to use it on my clients because it just gives that effortless look. I'm going to use a big brush because I definitely want the glow to be a little intense. Now I'm going in with my MAC blush in Franklet Scarlet, and it's just like a super cute blush. It's pretty deep, so I just, pat on very lightly. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Fawn Concealer again. I'm just going to set my eyes. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Now I'm going in with this orange shadow by MAC. I'm not sure of the color, but I will put it down below. But I love this color, transition shade, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, a little bit above it. But really it's just gonna, you know, I'm gonna put some intense colors in, so this is just gonna make sure everything blends well. Now I'm definitely gonna build this up because it is an intense color, but it's also really pretty. So, you know, start lightly and then just, you know, build up as you go. Now I'm going into my 352 palette by Morphe brushes, and I'm going in with a deep orange red color called Heat. So I'm just gonna go in the outer corners of my eye, then I'm gonna start to drag it in my crease, but a little bit lower. Now we are doing a halo eye, so you know, if the product is messy, it's super okay because you're gonna put something in the middle. Definitely focusing on the outer part of the eye and the inner part of the eye. And when I feel like the product is pretty much on the outer and the inner, then I go in and just start to blend with the rest of the product left on the brush. Then I'm just gonna take my first brush that I use and just blend it out. You just wanna make sure everything is trying to come in together. Now I'm going to take the same concealer that I used to set my eyes, and I'm going to go in the middle of my lid and put it everywhere I want my middle eyeshadow to be. Then I'm going to take the gold glitter in the Morphe palette in Pure and place it everywhere I put that concealer. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of that red. I'm gonna put it on the outer corners of the glitter gold that I just put on my eye, and I'm just trying to blend it so it doesn't look as harsh. But you know, just pat and use a little bit, never too much, just build as you go. Then I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the top of my eye to the bottom eye. Now I'm going to take the same glitter gold and put it in the inner corner of my eye just to give my eye a little bit of pop. Now I'm going to take this brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store. Guys, there's no rules when it comes to a lip liner. You can use a brown eyeliner, whatever you guys want to use that's brown, and that's just going to outline your lips. And I definitely recommend, if you're going to wear like, you know, a pink lipstick or something pretty bright, it's always good to line your lips just to, you know, not looking so ashy. So now I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in LSCL07. I really like this lipstick. It gives you off a brown but pink tone. Now when I finished applying, I thought that it looked a little ashy, so I added some more brown lip liner. It just wasn't working. The tricks that I always use when I feel like my lips look a little ashy, I take a dark lipstick, and this is just a purple lipstick. I do not know the name. It is from NYX. I'll put it down below. But I take a deep tone lipstick, purple, you know, dark brown, and I put it on the outer corner of my lips, and it really helps with just blending out a super aggressive lipstick. And I really like how it came out. So it's like you're lining your lips with lipstick, but you're just dragging it out a little bit to the middle of your lip just to blend it out. So this is the final look. I definitely hope you guys got this far. I'm so happy you guys clicked on this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below, like, you know, the tricks you do for halo eyelids. This is definitely my first time, so holla at your girl. Make sure you subscribe because I'm coming at you once a week, boo. Okay, I'm for real, like for real. So definitely don't forget, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh wait, sorry. That boy be talking. Can't snap, that hurt.
Are we good? Are we back? Hello?
I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'll call you back.
Oh, I was about to say, where you going?
You clinked on his lip. Hello?
Okay, Lauren.
Clinked up. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, I can't do it. I get so bad.
Okay.
Gary, what is you doing?
You're too live. I think.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.